Modern corporate networks around the world consist of multiple security levels involving many FortiGates, switches, APs, and extenders. In sophisticated, complex security fabric setups, network administrators often need to deploy and manage multiple FortiGates at once, setting up policies and security profiles for several FortiGates, whether they are physical appliances or virtual machines. These devices might be in separate security fabrics, and each is managed with its own FortiOS graphical interface. Operators have to log in separately to every single device that needs to be configured. To simplify this management process, Fortinet offers a practical solution which scales across multiple customers. Introducing FortiGate Cloud, providing simplified management with a new centralized dashboard with customizable widgets, in-depth security analytics, SD-WAN monitoring, and extended reporting. Let's see some of the benefits and features of the FortiGate Cloud service. Administrators begin by accessing their account through fortigate.forticloud.com. On the main screen of FortiGate Cloud, they can access every FortiGate registered under their credentials. The FortiGate Cloud portal makes managing FortiGates seamless and easy, providing an intuitive single pane of glass interface with the familiar look and feel of the popular FortiOS user interface, reducing the burden on IT staff and freeing teams to focus on more proactive, larger-scale security strategies. The fully customizable dashboards show the status of the system, from general information to network health, security status, and advanced SD-WAN monitoring tools. The top bar provides access to Fortinet services and cloud management, and can run a variety of support functions and services, simplifying deployment and creating a truly unified security solution. The portal's asset view is the convenient centralized way to manage FortiGates. Operators can visualize their assets in a map view or display them in a groupable list. From here, adding new FortiGates is simply a matter of clicking Add FortiGate, then either importing a FortiGate by entering its cloud key or provisioning all the FortiGates in the list. The portal's Cloud Access feature combines secure access and device views into a full FortiOS real-time view, providing access to all standard FortiGate features. Through the Easy Access navigation bar, users can remotely schedule automatic configuration backups and manage federated firmware updates, making maintenance simple and convenient, as well as scan files for threats with the Sandbox feature. Logging is a main feature of FortiGate Cloud. The service maintains logs for up to a year, so administrators can not only monitor the current status of the system, but also download raw logs and analyze historical trends to help predict future requirements. The portal can be set up to automatically generate actionable reports with quick filters to see instantly how applications, websites, users, and threats are impacting your network for fast reaction and remediation. And for even faster action, automated email alerts can be set up so that personnel are notified of important events as soon as they happen. For managed security service providers, FortiGate Cloud is integrated with FortiCloud organizations and provides a centralized OU dashboard that displays tenant accounts, devices, and licenses, with easy access for managing tenants' networks and security. IT administrators can even change the color theme of the interface to their personal preferences. FortiGate Cloud gives centralized access to every FortiGate and connected FortiAP, FortiSwitch, and FortiExtender across the entire network from a single access point, simplifying administration and reducing IT staff time requirements. For more information about FortiGate Cloud, visit Fortinet.com or talk to your reseller.